everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have been using the OnePlus Open for about a week now, and I wanted to give y'all an update on my experience. If you're new to the channel, if you just subscribed and found the channel with the OnePlus Open, sometimes I like to do these updates and I just drive around. I am shooting this in 4K at 60 frames per second on the OnePlus Open. So y'all let me know how does that sound, how does everything look, because I get to use the cameras when I do these type of car vlogs. But we'll discuss the OnePlus Open. We'll discuss some things I don't like about it, some things that are missing that people say that are missing, and just my overall experience with it. If y'all want to watch the unboxing video or even 48-hour video, you can check those out there or on the channel in the playlist. But let's get into it. The OnePlus Open, you know, we can discuss it. We can say how good it is. We can say how bad it is. Some people say it never will compete with the Z Fold 5 because it's missing a few things on it. And one thing that everybody brings up in the comments and everybody's videos too is the lack of wireless charging. You heard my voice right there. Wireless charging is a big discussion with this phone. It does not have wireless charging. I'm okay with it, but I know a lot of people talk. And should it have it? It probably should. I mean, it's a $1,600 phone, $1,700 phone without any type of without, you know, any discounts. Is $1,700. So yeah, you probably should have wireless charging in there, but you don't. So for me, it's not a deal breaker. I mentioned this in the videos before. Also, one complaint, I think the front camera on here, the 32 megapixel on the, you know, the cover display could be a little bit better. Y'all can check out my video I did in 4K. Now it shoots in 4K, but I think overall it could do a better job with the front camera. Now you don't even have to use it. You can use the rear camera and use the rear camera to do selfies and stuff. But overall, I think the front camera could be stronger. The rear cameras to me are good. I mean, I think they're some of the top cameras you get on a folding phone. I don't have the Pixel Fold, but I think, you know, I heard some people say that they are better than the Pixel Fold cameras. I'm not sure. I don't have it, but they're right up there with the Galaxy Z Fold as an overall package. But y'all let me know, you know, if y'all think about it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Also, battery life has been a big discussion. So far, it's been good. I can get through a day and a half battery life without any issues. Here's what I look for. Can I take the phone off at 6 o'clock in the morning? Can I go through the day and at 10 or 11 o'clock, you know, have 30 to 40% or 20% left? Yes, I can do that with this phone easily. And then here's the problem. Here's the thing too. 67 watt fast charging. I can charge it and so quick before you blink and you're up there and you have the battery life back. The front display is like a perfect size. Let's move on to the display. The 6.3 inch AMOLED panel here, the 2K panel is beautiful. You watch videos on there, you can do tent mode, which you can check out my videos there. But it's the perfect size, and it's not too big where you don't want to use your main display, but it's not too small where you're really fussing at it either. So the 6.3 inch screen is perfect. And when you flip this bad boy up to the 7.82 inch screen, it is beautiful. I mean, come on, y'all. It's like a small tablet for you, and you just have it in your pocket whenever you need it. The overall design and weight, that hasn't changed either, y'all. The weight, the overall design is great. That won't change. That will always be a good opinion. It won't change anything. You know, the more you use the phone, you're not going to hate the weight or the design. That's going to always be there. Overall, using it as a daily phone, making phone calls, speaker calls, I'm not having any issues with it. I know someone in our Telegram group did have some issues with the speakers, and it's popping, making some popping noises. I think they are waiting for like a return or a new one to come in. But I haven't had any issues with, you know, popping or any type of speaker issues or phone call issues. It's been great. The receivers on here, the tenors, I've been good, getting good reception everywhere in San Antonio and in the Texas area, in that area, and not having any problems with T-Mobile. What else? Speakers on here are good. I mean, it's not like the best of the best, not like my LG G8 speakers, but you know, they up there, they good. I think they're better than the Z Fold, but they definitely good. We can discuss price. I mean, I paid like about $1,200. I only had a small trade-in, but some people was paying like $200 for this phone with trade-ins and credits, which is amazing for a flip phone to have, you know, to pay that much amount. So I don't think you have, not a lot of people have been talking about the price either. So I think you can't go wrong with the price. Overall, now here's the thing too, like, it's just like the Z Fold 5. Is the OnePlus Open for everyone? And I'm gonna say no. It is not. You have to have a use case. You have to want to use this phone and need a good use case to use it every single day. Just like the Z Fold 5 is not for everyone, this phone may not be for you. Do your homework, try it out. But it does have a lot of things that the Z Fold 5 does. Like, it has pen support, which is great. It has, you know, good cameras on here, battery life. The displays are amazing. The display, compared the inner display with the hinge and the crease, Samsung can't touch it right now. They can't. They want to try to, but they really cannot touch it right now. They just can't. Hopefully they will. Also, you know, one thing that's missing is like desktop mode. If you like changing, or if you like using your phone as a small computer, you can get the Bluetooth. This one does not have any type of desktop mode yet. Hopefully, you know, OnePlus can update that. You have to get used to the OxygenOS as far as, you know, it won't let you mirror the screen. Well, it only lets you mirror your covered display with your inner display. There's no separating it. That gets annoying too, but you know, overall, I am enjoying this phone for the last week. It's been great. If you have it or you plan on getting it, let me know in the comments. Let me know what color you got. What's, you know, well, the storage is only 512. Let me know what color you got. Let me know if you're enjoying it. Am I being a OnePlus fanboy now? Y'all let me know in the comments. Let's have a friendly discussion. If you're new to the channel, if you like this type of video, please let me know in the comments too. I'll keep on doing it if people like it. If people don't, then, you know, I might cut it out. But I like doing it. I like talking to everyone. I'll enjoy the cameras on here, showing off the cameras too. So it's a good way of showing off the cameras. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the OnePlus Open. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at @4sreviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.